Tired of spending hours crunching numbers in Excel? Well, what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? From creating charts to generating insights, all in seconds. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful AI tools that will completely change how you analyze data in Excel. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Vibe Chart. Imagine dropping your Excel data and instantly getting a clean, beautiful chart. No manual formatting, no headaches. Vibe Chart uses AI to understand your dataset, automatically suggesting the best visual representation for your numbers. Bar charts, trend lines, heat maps. It picks what tells your story best. Perfect for presentations, reports, or quick data reviews. If Excel feels too static, Vibe Chart gives your data life, instantly. Number 2. Shortcut. Analyze data just by asking. This AI plugin lets you talk to your spreadsheet. Just type natural language questions like, "What's the total profit for Q2?" Or, "Which product had the highest growth?" And boom! Shortcut gives you the answer, complete with charts or summaries. It's like having a data analyst living inside Excel. You don't need formulas, just curiosity. For anyone who wants fast insights without the formula struggle, Shortcut is a game changer. Number 3. Chat CSV. Chat directly with your data. If you often deal with CSV files, this one's for you. Chat CSV. It's basically ChatGPT for your data. You upload a CSV and you can chat with it. Show me the top 10 customers by revenue. What's the trend of sales over the last 6 months? Chat CSV instantly generates responses, tables, or even visualizations. No more endless scrolling or filter clicking. It's like having AI that understands spreadsheets better than you do. Number 4. Sheet AI. If you're working on Google Sheets, this add-on is incredible. Sheet AI adds an AI-powered formula that works just like ChatGPT, but inside your spreadsheet. You can generate text, summarize data, or even classify entries automatically. For example, AI summarize sales trends in column B. It's fast, smart, and saves tons of time if you're handling repetitive reports or massive data sets. Number 5. Genius Sheets. This tool connects Excel or Google Sheets directly with ChatGPT, allowing you to generate reports, summaries, and even dashboards using natural language. Say goodbye to complex formulas and pivot tables. Just ask, "Create a summary of sales performance by region," and Genius Sheets builds it for you automatically. It's perfect for teams that want smarter reporting without technical know-how. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools that can turn Excel from a spreadsheet into a smart analysis machine. Vibe Chart, Shortcut, Chat CSV, Sheet AI, and Genius Sheets. With these tools, you'll spend less time typing formulas and more time understanding your data. Which one would you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI-powered productivity tips. If you enjoy content like this, please consider following and let's hit 1K likes. Let's go.